Welcome to Finance Gyan Plus YouTube channel. Today I have brought another problem related with financial ratio analysis. So now let's see the problem here. So this is a problem related with 5 marks. So it is a short question. So here let's see the information here. Consider the following information of Butol Trading Company during the last year. So here earning per share is given rupees 4. Dividend per share is given rupees 2. Increase in retained earning is given rupees 12 million. Book value per share is given rupees 40. Year in debt is given rupees 120 million. And you are required to find out what was its year in debt asset ratio equity multiplier. So these two items you have to find from the given information. So now let's solve the problem. So let's first write the given. Let's write here. I'm going to write here as a given here by drawing this question head. So given here. So these are the given here, and you are required to find debt asset ratio and equity multiplier. So here now solution. Calculation of debt asset ratio. So to calculate debt asset ratio, or it can be also written as DAR, to calculate the value of debt asset ratio, first of all you have to find here number of outstanding shares and also the equity capital to find the total asset. So here first let's find the retention per share. So retention per share equal to earning per share minus dividend per share. So here earning per share is given rupees 4 minus rupees 2, that is rupees 2 per share is the retention per share. Now increase in retained earning is given here rupees 12 million. So now you can use this increase in retained earning information to find out the number of outstanding share. So here number of outstanding shares and you can write equal to increase in retained earnings divided by retention per share. So increase in retained earning, it's here 12 million and retention per share is rupees 2. So your value will be 6 million. So 6 million is the number of outstanding shares. Now after finding the outstanding shares, now you can use book value per share to find the shareholder equity. So now shareholders equity equals to book value per share into number of outstanding shares. Okay, so book value per share is given in the question here 40 rupees 40 and number of outstanding share is 6 million. So here rupees 240 million is the shareholder equity. Now after finding shareholder equity, then you have to find total asset in order to find debt asset ratio. So to find the total asset, here here in debt is given and here shareholder equity is given. So now you can find the total asset here. Total assets equal to total debt plus shareholders equity. So now total debt is given here 120 million and shareholder equity is given here. Now you have already found it, rupees 240 million. So total is rupees 360 million is the total asset. Now by using the total asset and total debt, or you can say here in debt, you can find the value of debt asset ratio. Now debt assets ratio equals to total debt upon total assets. So here total debt is here, it's given in the question. Total debt is 120 million and your calculated total asset is 360 million. So now your value will be 0.3333, or you can say 33.33% is the debt asset ratio of this company. Now in the second part you are asked to find out equity multiplier. So here calculation of equity multiplier EM. So you can use debt asset ratio to find the equity multiplier. So here equity multiplier EM equals to 1 upon 1 minus debt asset ratio. So here you can put the values 1 upon 1 minus, here you have to put the debt asset ratio in decimal 0.3333. So now you will get 1.4999 times, okay, or you can write 1.5 times is the equity multiplier of this company. So in this way you can calculate the values for different ratios. So if you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe and share with your friends.